Hi friends! Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents soak paper in apple cider vinegar, then wrap your body. It is important to understand that a poison, sumac, oak or ivy rash isn't contagious, but it can be extremely uncomfortable. The most common symptoms include blisters, swelling, itching and redness. Poison, sumac, oak and ivy. You can accelerate the healing process and make the rash less irritating with these simple home remedies. Dishwashing liquid. Simply rub some dishwashing liquid onto the affected area at the first sign of a poison, sumac, ivy or oak rash. You should not wash off the liquid. Keep washing the affected area with dishwashing liquid once on a daily basis until you feel relief. This trick is also useful for relieving mosquito bites. Buttermilk. Buttermilk is rich in protein that could help alleviate itchiness and drain fluid from poison ivy blisters. Furthermore, to use combine same amounts of vinegar, buttermilk and salt and apply the mixture to the itchy, blistering rash. Apple cider vinegar. ACV helps get rid of poison that triggers the rash. The only thing you need to do is soak a brown paper bag in some ACV and place it on the affected area in order to draw out the toxins. Watermelon rind. You should consume a watermelon without throwing away the rind. Namely, you can use the rind as a cold compress to alleviate the itching triggered by poison ivy. Baking soda. Combine 1 teaspoon of water with 3 teaspoons of baking soda and then apply it to the rash. The mixture will dry as well as flake off. Also, you may want to soak gauze pads in a greater amount of the remedy and then apply them to the affected area for about 10 minutes 4 times a day. In case you find that heat could help relieve the itchiness, you should combine warm water with buttermilk and use it to wash the affected area. Oatmeal. This natural remedy could help eliminate the poisonous serum from blistering rashes. That's not all. It could also help reduce inflammation and dry sores. Simply pour oats into your bath and take a soak or apply them directly to the affected area. Cucumber. Cucumber has excellent cooling properties, so you may want to apply mashed cucumber or cucumber slices to the affected area to speed up the healing process. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.